Hi, welcome to the ultimate showroom experience. This is the first and only business lounge for professionals in the Philippines. Let's go inside. So here we are at the entrance. Let's go inside. This is the ultimate showroom experience. You can see several giant screens installed on all the walls. And we are going to go through all of that one by one, so to give you the idea of what we can do. Now this place was made possible by the generosity of our sponsors and partners, which are these following brands: A10, DNP, Represent, Philips, Bowers & Wilkins, Fil-Nippon, Optoma, Sony, and Onkyo. As you can see, there's a group of people having a meeting in one of our areas. Look at what I have in my hand. I have here a tablet. And here, we have pre-programmed using our A10 control system that we can control the entire room from this tablet. For example, I can actually turn off the lights in that area. I can also turn off the aircon. I can also turn curtains if I want. Do so many things with this tablet. Let's have a close look. It looks to me those guys are having a meeting showing some plans, but they're sharing it on a very tiny laptop, right? Would be better if they could have the use of this 100-inch screen provided by DNP. Here on my tablet, I could just press this button and look what happens. So now, as you can see, his laptop is perfectly mirrored in our giant screen using Represent technology. Let me discuss to you what is Represent. Represent is a presentation device that can connect any device, no matter what platform, whether it's Apple, Mac, Windows, Android, laptop or smartphone. All of them can be connected to one of these devices and then wirelessly connected directly to the screen. Could be a giant TV, could be our projector screen as we showed a while ago. And you can have up to 64 people simultaneously connected on this device. And this device can also show a quad view. So actually you can see 4 different laptops at the same time. As you can see, Mr. Architect here is now enjoying a giant screen and he can explain better to his clients his design. And if you notice that he can also use his fingers to touch the screen and make annotations, that's the power of the DNP laser panel touch. Hello, we are at the area 2, where we call it core area. Here we can have 4 to 5 people having a meeting, and they can all wirelessly connect to our Represent presenter, which is connected to our Optoma projector. It's a full HD model with 4000 lumens. But please notice the lights. It's so dark here. We have to live in the dark just so we can enjoy a projected image. Why so? Here is actually a white screen. Behind me is a DNP Supernova core. Let us see the difference. I just put it here. When all the lights are turned off, looks about the same. Can we have some light, please? See the difference? Now, with using our Supernova core, everyone can enjoy a very vibrant meeting with a giant screen with all the lights turned on. Hi, we are now the Area 4 Classic. We call it the Classic area. It's a home theater setup. And as you can see, we have our guests watching a movie on the screen. Here we have a setup with Bowers & Wilkins top-of-the-line sound system with Atmos capability that will give us the same experience as the Rockwell Cinema. But we noticed that the TV screen is quite small. It's around 45 inches. And I think that's not equal to the Rockwell experience. So what we do, I will turn on the projector, which is a laser projector by Sony. And I also bring down our DNP Flex Classic screen. It's a 120-inch screen. Do you notice the difference? It looks like a cinema. Then what about the sound? So we are here at our special area where we have a DNP Supernova Blade 120-inch screen installed. As you can see, it's so light. It's a very thin screen. It's only 3 millimeters. And it's just hanging by wires from the ceiling. So it's like our floating TV. Now today, we pair it with our Sony laser projector. And as you can see from the image, it's a bit dark image with the lights turned off. My assistant is holding a white screen material. But what happens when we turn on the light? You see the difference? A white screen material will become washed out, but the DNP stays true to the actual color of the source material. That is our DNP Supernova Blade demonstration area. So we are here at the TV wall area where we have 16 screen LED wall provided by Philips. And as you can see right now, we can have different sources showing on different screens. And actually, you can do anything here because of our A10 device. Let me show you. Here in our rack, we have here is our A10 power distribution unit which controls the power. We have the VK A10 control center which allows me to do everything on my tablet. Here is our A10 VM3200 switch which controls the TV wall. Then we have the A10 KVM switch, the Onkyo amplifier, and the Onkyo Blu-ray player. Okay, what can we do with this? With our A10 VM3200 switch, I can now change what I want to see. For example, I want to see a giant screen, just one image. Or I could also change it to here. What you're seeing is our live feed from our FriendNet IP cams. Or I could do a quad view. You notice something? Instant switching. There's 0-second delay when I switch from one profile to the other profile. So here we can have a training area for classroom setting, and this setup is perfect for control rooms, media rooms, boardrooms, and even retail shops. Thank you very much.